it's Melody Ann, your host, and today we're going to be talking about collaborating with other authors on LinkedIn. I've been talking a lot about collaboration recently, and so today I really want to dig into what you can do on LinkedIn. The first thing I want you to know is LinkedIn has about 1 billion people on there. They're not all your people. They're not all going to read your book. You don't need to collaborate with all of them. But what you do want to do is you want to find your community of people like you who serve your audience, who you can work with to promote each other, to build that larger community of you and the other authors or other professionals and their audience, in your case, your readers, so that you can be more successful and bring more success to other people. So what do you want to do? You want to get on LinkedIn and you want to start getting to know people, reading their content, commenting on it, liking it. Commenting is really important, and also posting things. You can tag other people, you can join groups. You want to make connections, and not just, on LinkedIn, you can go connect and like type in how or why you're connecting. I don't mean that kind of connection. I mean real connections like, yeah, I know this person and I want to work with this person. I'd like to support each other. Make those connections meaningful. So engage meaningfully. Comment, sharing is a really great thing to do. And then if it's reasonable, if it makes sense, send a direct message. Now, don't just send random direct messages to people. Hey, we should collaborate. Get to know them. Go through their profile. Understand who they are and where they are and what they're doing. And once you've started to build relationships, you've connected with people, not just hit the connect button, but you've really connected with them. You're talking to them. They're the kind of person, they're the kind of author that you want to collaborate with. Now you can start talking to them about what kinds of collaborations you'd like to do. Would you like to co-author articles? Would you like to do guest posts? Would you like to interview each other? Would you like to do a webinar together or a LinkedIn Live, or start a panel discussion with you and 5 other authors? Or in some way cross-promote each other by sharing content, recommending each other, or tagging each other in things? Do you want to work together on workshops or courses? What you're looking to do is you're looking to build a community that serves you, that serves your collaborator or collaborators if you're doing a panel, and also serves your audience when you and that group share that same audience. And LinkedIn has some great features like articles and stories, polls, questions. Use them and create content together. So come up with a plan, meet people you want to work with, come up with a plan, sort out the details, create the assets, whether it's copy or visuals, execute the plan, and then afterwards sit back and say, how did that go? Did that go really well? And if it went really well, awesome, repeat. And if it didn't go so well, sit back and think about why. Why did that not go as well as I wanted it to go? Figure that out. Because one thing I can tell you is authors come to me and say, I've tried being a guest on podcasts, it doesn't work. I've tried collaborating with other people on LinkedIn, it doesn't work. I've tried blah, 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 and it doesn't work. But when we break it down, often we can look at what was done and maybe what can be tweaked so that it will become successful. So analyze it, not in some statistical, you have to be like a data scientist to be able to do this, but just monitor it, evaluate it, look at the analytics, and then figure out what went well and what you can improve on so your success grows. If this means something to you here and now, before you walk away, like it, comment, and share it with somebody who could use this information, because I'm here to support you and everyone you know who is an author. So send this video their way and have a great day.